Hi, I'm Sergio Jeet Hambrom. Today I'm here to speak about the fundamentals of accounting or the basic accounting. This particular topic will be very much helpful for those who are willing to take accounting subjects or have taken already but would like to know more about the basic accounting. So let's start. So under this particular topic, I would like to discuss about the meaning and definition of bookkeeping, the features of bookkeeping, objectives of bookkeeping, meaning and definition of accountancy, branches of accounting, and the last is basic accounting terminologies. Maybe about basic accounting terminologies I'll speak later on. But today mainly I'll discuss with these 5 topics. So let's start. The first is bookkeeping. So what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is a process of recording business transactions in the books of accounts in a very systematic manner. So this particular word has to be remembered, very systematic manner. Once again, I'm repeating the definition. Bookkeeping is a process of recording business transactions. Remember this particular word. Process of recording business transactions in the books of accounts in a very systematic manner. That means only business transactions. So we cannot record bookkeeping, the birthday party event, or the games that we had yesterday. So all those things we cannot put. Only the business transactions we have to put in the books of accounts, but in a very systematic manner. Okay, so let's hear, according to J.R. Bartleby, bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealings in a set of books. It's very similar to what I have said earlier. Bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealings in a set of books. Now let's hear, according to Northcott, bookkeeping is an art of recording in the books of accounts the monetary aspects of commercial or financial transactions. Remember this particular words, monetary aspects. That means the money. With money we are buying something or purchasing something. So whatever is dealing with the money, we have to keep in records in the books of accounts. So according to Northcott, he speaks all these things. Now let's hear about the features of bookkeeping. So it is the process of recording business transactions, similar to what I have spoke earlier during the definition. It is the process of recording business transactions, nothing else, no birthday parties or no games events or nothing else, no picnic events. We have to record it in the books of transaction, in the books of accounts, sorry. But we have to record only business transactions. Monetary transactions are only recorded. So listen, second one, monetary transactions. That means the things that we purchase or buy with the money, only those things we have to record. Recording is made in given set of books of account. So we cannot just keep in record somewhere else, any other books, but no, we have to keep it record very much in the set of accounts book. It can be day book, it can be debit book, it can be credit book, it can be cash book, whatever it is. So you have to keep in records in the books of accounts. It has to be a very specific period. So those who know a little bit about accounts, they know the month for the financial year starts in the month of July and it ends in the month of June. So this is 12th month. It's a specific period for financial year. So we have to record only during this year for a specific period. Now, art of recording business transactions scientifically, it's a very important. So we are recording business transactions very scientifically. Scientifically, because we are using the books of accounts, we just simply are not keeping record. We have some features or some important aspects through which we have to record. Okay. Now, objectives of bookkeeping. So what is the objectives of bookkeeping? So if we keep record in the books of accounts, our transactions, what will happen? So listen this, if we record it in the bookkeeping, so we will get permanent record. We'll come to know the profit and loss accounts in the business. We can come to know how much capital amount we have. Again, we can come to know the assets and liabilities that we are having. Now, to know the progress of the business, we need to keep record. Nothing else. Again, if we want to pay the tax to the government, we have to know how much my business is earning or how much my business is having losses. So, if we come to know, we can give our legal taxes to the government. Now, let's come and learn about the meaning and definition of accountancy. You might be asking me, why, sir? You have taught us bookkeeping earlier, now accountancy, why? Purposely, I just spoke about bookkeeping earlier because when I will give definitions about accountancy, we have to know about bookkeeping. At least in some sense, we have to understand what is bookkeeping. So that's my idea. Now let's hear about the definitions. Accountancy includes bookkeeping and classifying, summarizing, and interpreting of the business transactions. Listen, nothing else. Business transactions. Again, I'm repeating, accountancy includes bookkeeping, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting of the business transactions. Now, I'm sure that you might be understanding a little bit about bookkeeping. Let's speak about classifying. Classifying means, in a simple sense, we have to differentiate. So differently we have to, or that we have to record it. Different we have to record it. We have to classify specific what is called business transactions. Then we have to record it. We have to summarize. We cannot just write details. We have to summarize. Again, we have to interpret. We have to interpret in which terms? In accounting terms. Now let's hear, according to Koehler, accountancy refers to the entire body of the theory and process of accounting. Remember once again, or listen once again. Accountancy refers to the entire body of theory and process of accounting. Now, according to Robert and Anthony, nearly every business enterprise has an accounting system. Every business has its own accounting system. It is a means of collecting, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting in monetary terms information about the business transactions. Very much important, these things. Collecting, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting in the monetary terms information about the business transactions. I hope you understood all those things. So let's start the next one. Now, to know account, we have to also understand how much branches are there. So it has 3 branches: financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting. So I'll speak details in all those things, but maybe for today, just to understand or just to know or just to gather a little bit knowledge, let's go through one by one. What other things are there under financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting? So under financial accounting, we have to know journal, ledger, trial balance, financial accounts, all these 4 things. Okay. And again, when we'll study about cost accounting, we'll go through cost sheet, job and contract, process costing, operating costing. So when we'll do all these things, we have to do maths. So get ready with all those math. Okay. Now, but management accounting, we have to do ratio analysis, break-even point, standard costing, analysis of financials. So all these things we have to know, and when we will do maths, you can understand really very much. That's all for today. Thank you.